Marhaba wa ahlan wa sahlan fikum. Welcome to the tutorial of identical sounds in Arabic. This is Ibrahim with you. Let's have a look at our two letters today, and it is the. The letter the is pronounced very much like thus or although. So this is the. However, in dialect, most of the time people would replace it with a Z for zebra. It's just because it's easier. Then on the other side, we've got the letter dad. Dad is a very gruff sound, and it's pronounced by pressing the tip of your tongue to the front cavity behind your upper teeth. It's a very gruff sound, dad. These two letters, they do share a number of vocabulary, having the same letters, more or less, but where we see the difference is where it comes to these two letters. So most of the consonants are there and the same, but the only difference is when it comes to these two letters. Let's have a look. الحظ 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 الحظ. So the first part of the vocabulary, they're both absolutely identical, but the difference is with the last two letters. الحظ 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 الحظ. حظيظ حظيظ حظيظ. حضيض 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 حضيض. Our third example. حضر 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 حضر. Obviously, notice that in dialect they tend to make the ending silent. In dialect they tend to delete the final vowel most of the time and replace it with a consonant sound, and that's one of the main differences between dialect and modern standard Arabic. So حضر, and on the other hand we have حضر حضر حضر. And in dialect they would say حضر instead of حضر in MSA, and equally حضر حضر, which means to attend, instead of حضر in MSA. ظل 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 ضل ضل ضل. The last section is absolutely identical, but the first letter is different. مظلة 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 مظلة. مظلة مظلة مظلة. Great guys, and with this I'll end today's tutorial, and I hope you now understand the difference between these two letters when it comes to pronouncing these two sounds, as the majority of the students they find pronouncing these two letters very difficult. So the as in thus, and da is a very gruff sound of data. Da as in dull, for example. Ma salama.